Alright, I'm going to attempt to do a video. I'm changing this hose. That's because it had ripped out ends like this on my hose. And instead of spending $50, I saw this little handy dandy kit online. And what you do is you cut your hose, and this is back threaded, so you just thread it on by hand. Let me get this threaded on. You screw it on until the rubber gets to the top of this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right there, the rubber stops inside there. And then this threaded piece goes inside there and spreads out the hose inside there so it fits tight. So I start this like that, put my wrench on here, make sure that's tight. I got my ratcheting wrench, and I spin it several times till I get it to seat. It's definitely getting tighter. Keep screwing it in there until it seats all the way down. Got just a little bit more to go. It's kind of hard to do by not holding this wrench. It'd be easier with two people. About there. Okay. That screwed all the way in, and it's seated flush with that now. Now, I just take some Teflon tape, wrap that around there, like that. Make sure that's good. And I take my old hose fitting. You can put new ones on, but I like this one. Nothing's wrong with this one. And you screw it on until she's tight, and then you're ready to go.